Hey everybody, I'm pretty excited about today's workout for you guys. Something I discovered on YouTube through a friend. And you guys all said you pretty much, for the most part, liked following along with the YouTube workouts. The one thing that some of you didn't like was having somebody there like yelling at you. So this workout, there is nobody yelling at you, but they go through it, they explain it, there's music. It's easy to follow along. So I think you guys are going to like it. If some of you have heard of Orange Theory before, it's a gym that bases their workouts around heart rate zones. So they're all about being in a certain zone for a certain amount of time, which is super similar to our individual fitness class. So, what a good way to tie the two together. Since quarantine started, Orange Theory put these videos on YouTube for free. So, that's what I've been doing for like the last week for my workouts. I found them to be good workouts. I sweat a lot and they're pretty easy to follow along, and I feel like the time goes really fast. All right, so for the workout today, you may stop after block number 2. It's at 22 minutes and 50 seconds if you want, and then you can fill out the reflection questions. If you want to finish the whole workout, go for it. I think there's 2 blocks after that that are pretty tough that got me sweating at the end, but you may stop after block number 2. So the video's right here. There's a warm up, and then you'll do 2 blocks of exercises. And then for task 3, you're going to upload a video of yourself. So in your video, you need your name, and you're going to record yourself doing 5 reps of your favorite exercise from block number 1. And then record yourself doing 5 reps of your least favorite exercise from block number 2. So it should be your name. Then you'll do 5 exercises from block number 1 that you like, and then 5 from block number 2 that you don't like. And then you're going to upload it here and the exit ticket submission tab below. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Have fun with this one. If you want to record some feedback and let me know how you think it went, go for it.